Want that crack or you want to get on?
What are you going for?
I don't know.
Well, if you go this way,
Go this way and try to go up the crack?
Yeah.
whatever you want to do. I want to see if you're extra.
It's icy. Yeah.
Maybe not.
You guys would get right up that if there wasn't no water or no snow.
There you go.
Oh, wow.
There's your line right there. Stay to my side.
You're good right
Stay
there.
my side.
Yeah, you can go. You can straddle that crack.
Going.
Sliding off of it.
Maybe come my side. You're dead clear. You're not getting hung up. Hey, now see your crack.
It's a big ass tire.
Yeah.
Passenger.
Driver.
Right.
You should have cut passenger.
A little harder because it's that axle that's taking it.
Back up and try to push it.
Cut it.
Cut driver.
Driver.
Okay.
And then maybe
Little bit more.
keep going. Go as much as you feel comfortable. You can keep going back. You're going to drop down just a little bit. Then I cut
I
it.
think you're good right.
On.
You're good right there. Go straight up. Little bit passenger.
If anything goes Sean's way, you're going to have a better chance going that way.
There you go. Keep going hard.
You're clear in the air.
There you go.
Going up.
Right on his rear diff back here.
You're hung up on your axle like you.
You give it a little bump, you go right over it. You give it a little bump, you go right over that.
Second gear.
Let's say go right there, you're good.
Because you're just on the corner, it's going to just slide you right off.
Okay, hold on. You're over it. Okay.
You're on it.
Now just go straight, man. Hey, when you get to your side, Justin, maybe cut a little driver, or maybe still passenger.
Yeah, you're basically just trying to bump up now.